This is our organic BB cream. Now this is nourishing, hydrating and soothing. This is perfect for people with dry to normal skin, mature skin, and also if your skin needs extra TLC and nourishment. It is a beautiful lightweight coverage. It will just make it look like your skin, only better. Now you can either apply it with your fingertips or you can apply it with our multi-purpose foundation brush. So today I'm going to show you applying it with the foundation brush. So simply just squeeze out a few pumps of the BB cream onto the back of your hand, stipple your brush in it and start applying. Now it's super easy to spread and to apply, and the brush makes it super fast. Now you can layer this and apply extra layers around the eyes, around the nose, or anywhere that you feel needs concealing or needs that little bit of extra coverage. I also like to take what's left on the brush, just put it on the ears to match it in and to go down the neck, as it just helps to blend everything in and give a seamless, natural look. And there you have it. Super easy to apply. It is a very light coverage, but what it will do is give you a really nice, smooth, seamless sort of look. It'll brighten up your complexion. It'll help to make everything just sort of blend in and just look that much better. It will look like your skin, just better. Best tips and tricks for applying it are to use our brush because it makes it super quick and super easy. Always, any areas that you need extra, you can always come back in and just apply another layer. Always do your ears, down your neck. If you have any troubles blending it or getting it to apply, I would look at what skincare you're using underneath it. If you're using anything with silicones or too much wax in it, it can cause our makeup to ball up on the surface. So my best preference for you to use under your makeup would be a few drops of a beautiful, nourishing facial oil, like our Skin Guardian, or any other oil that you like, and it will give you just the perfect smooth canvas to apply your makeup on. For added extra coverage, you can apply our mineral powder over the top. Now to do this, simply tap out some mineral powder into your lid, dip your brush into it. Now you can either spot apply this or you can apply a light dusting all over the face. It is 100% up to you. So anywhere where you need extra coverage or anywhere where you feel like you might be oily by the end of the day, you can apply it, or you can apply it all over the face for that extra level of coverage. You can also use this to customize shades. So today I'm wearing the Olive Fair, and because it's winter here and I'm not that tanned, I am going over the top of it now with the Creamy Natural powder. If I went over top of it with the Olive Fair powder, it might end up actually looking a little bit too much like I have fake tan on. So you can absolutely use the mineral powders over the top to create your own sort of customized shades to change with the seasons. The mineral foundation powder allows you to customize your coverage, so you're still getting all of the nourishing, soothing, hydrating benefits of the BB cream,